In this quick video, we are going to learn about Ignitur and how it can help you manage your web marketing efforts. If you are a small business or a large agency and you need to increase visibility online for yourself or your clients, then sit tight, as you might find this quick demo very interesting. So what is Ignitur? Ignitur is a task management software first and foremost, but it's anything but ordinary. There are many task management software out there. Ignitur is specifically tailored for web marketing operation. Ignitur organizes all of your web marketing projects and data into one central place. That includes metrics from various sources such as Google Analytics, tasks, documents, reports, etc. Ignitur is also your dashboard and mission control. It lets you build your own process, but can also instruct you what to do and how to do it. Ignitur is a reporting engine that presents collected stats and the work progress of your campaigns. In short, Ignitur is your partner. It helps web marketing people to do their job more productively. It helps to take the guesswork out and addresses all administrative-related, time-consuming tasks in a creative solution that is tailored for web marketing operations. So, let's talk about some of the difficulties most business owners have doing web marketing. Just to make it clear, web marketing agencies share the same problems, so I'm referring to both. Number 1, managing and organizing numerous tasks for multiple marketing campaigns. It gets cluttered and hard to track multiple Excel and Notepad files and the use of multiple platforms to manage your web marketing. Another difficulty is lack of knowledge of what exactly to do and how to do it. Web marketing is not an exact science. Most conclusive decisions are based on deep research and testing. Wouldn't it be great if someone could do all that for us and answer questions we have at any time? Another difficulty is dealing with too many external tools when analyzing and tracking campaigns. We end up spending too much time just analyzing the data from so many different sources. Another difficulty is the tedious process of creating periodic reports. If you've ever had to go through this process of creating reports for your superiors, decision makers, or your clients, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So what does Ignitur help solve? Let's start with the first difficulty, managing and organizing numerous tasks for multiple marketing campaigns. Ignitur, first and foremost, is your task management platform. Naturally, everything that you work on is going to be nested as campaigns, projects, and processes. Managing and organizing and creating tasks is simple and quick. And now I'm going to head over to my Manage tab. And right away you can see the 3 modules or web marketing processes that I'm doing for this campaign. AdWords Management or PPC, SEO, and web design. Nested under each of these headers are tasks for me to do throughout my campaign. I'll get more in depth into the tasks section in a minute, but right now I want to focus on how you can create your own process. So, over here to the right, you see that I can add one task or add multiple tasks. So let's do that together. And all I have to do is add one task per line. And click Add. Now right at the top, you see I have 3 blue tasks marked as new. All I have to do is click on this and I can fully customize this task I've created. I can assign it to someone on my team, give it a status like in progress or completed. I can give it a due date and have it reoccur daily, weekly, monthly. I can also attach a note for my team or give specific instructions to them, and I can attach a file. When I'm ready to leave, I can click X. So, I've added these specific tasks to this specific client or campaign. When I scroll this header up, you see that I have 3 modules that I'm working with once again. If I want to work on more modules for this campaign, I can go to the modules cog icon. Once I click on it, you see a list of the modules that are given in Ignitur. I can work on link detox removal, local web marketing. I can work on search engine optimization and even social media management. What I want to stress here is that modules represent the web marketing processes that you'll be doing for your clients. If I want to create a brand new module that I can access from any campaign, I can head over here to Module Management. All I have to do is add a module. And let's say I want to add a video marketing module. Once I hit add, a new module was successfully added. When I drop this header down, you see that I need to add tasks. So let's add multiple tasks. Once again, it's one task per line. Click Add. Now I've created a brand new web marketing workflow for video marketing. And this module is subscription level. So anytime I create a new client or add a new campaign, I will have access to this module from anywhere in the software. So I can scroll this up. Now I'll choose my campaign. And I'm taken immediately to their dashboard. I'll head to their modules and turn on my brand new module, video marketing. Once I activate it, you'll see that in my Manage tab, I'm given the tasks that I created. So you can see that I've created my own web marketing workflow. If I select one of them, I can further customize them however I see fit. But what if you feel that you lack certain expertise for web marketing? For those of you that need guidance and organization, the web marketing modules and task management of Ignitur walk you through the process and keep you on track. You should know that Ignitur is designed by web marketers for web marketing management and will continue to be updated as the tactics and technology changes. Each of these web marketing modules comes fully loaded to customize your software when activated. So let's turn on email marketing and I'll show you how it affects your tasks. If I click the Manage tab, you can see that I have a new header, Email Marketing Management. This module that comes with Ignitur comes fully stocked with out-of-the-box tasks ready for you to complete. They even have a due date assigned for you. So let's click on one, and again, you have the name and instructions on how to complete this task. Also, you can fully customize it for you and your team. So you see that Ignitur gives you the ability to completely create your own workflow, but it also comes fully stocked with out-of-the-box instructions on what to do and how to do it. While we're here, I also want to highlight the documents and bookmarks. In Documents, this is a free cloud space where you can upload files that pertain to your client or your campaign. In the bookmarks, you'll find quick links based on the web marketing module that you've activated. Also, you can add your own client bookmarks at any time. If you ever find yourself really stuck on a problem, it's nice to know that you can ask questions at any time. I want to take you over here to this person icon. Ask the Guru is consulting on demand. All I have to do is type in a subject, a question, and choose a file, such as a screenshot, and click Ask Now, and I can get my questions answered within 24 to 48 hours. This is a super helpful resource that I think even confident web marketers will take advantage of. The next difficulty I want to go over is having to deal with too many external tools. The beauty of Ignitur is that you no longer have to visit multiple data sources to get your necessary information and analyze it. Ignitur doesn't replace or compete with other tools that you use. Rather, it works with them in harmony to present you the best information in one place. In the Analyze tab, if I click on Google Analytics, you can see all my data broken down into widgets. I have all of my traffic data, the source medium, top channels, visitor information. All of the important information that I'll ever need is right here in Ignitur. All of these external resources are generated based on the modules that I'm working on, or the web marketing processes. Whenever I log into the software, I'm taken directly to the dashboard. This is a pinboard where I can pin specific widgets, the most important information that I want to see every time I log into the software. It's also extremely convenient that all of your campaigns are in one place. From here, if I'm working with multiple clients or multiple campaigns, I can drop down this menu and select them at any time. My client here is obviously working with different web marketing modules or processes, and so you see the information I'm presented with is different, as well as the tasks that I'll be managing for them. You can see that all of my campaigns and all of the information that I'll need is stored in one space. No more logging in and logging out. Another difficulty I want to address is periodic reports. Most people create reports by collecting data from many different sources, using Excel files or a combination of reporting engines. This process is tedious and time-consuming. It can take a few hours to even a couple of days to create meaningful reports. Here is how we do it with Ignitur. Now, all the information that I've gathered from the Analyze tab and all of the tasks that I've completed can be generated in one quick template. Let me show you how. The report template is very easy. Just fill in the blanks. Select the date range. Next, we're shown all of the web marketing modules that we're working with. I'm going to select just a few. You can see that I can fully customize this information down to the individual widget. I can turn any of these off right here. Another thing I want to highlight is down at the bottom. I can also include completed tasks and user notes. Let's select both of these. Web marketing is not always tangible. It's a challenge to show progress and highlight the work that's been done. However, having the stats over time and a list of completed tasks available to show your decision makers is a great added benefit for you. It shows the value that you are providing and the services that you do in a tangible way. If I head into reporting files, you can see the PDF that I just sent. Now let's go to my email and check out the report. Because Dynamic Search is an agency with multiple clients, we generate our report as a white label. The PDF shows our client's name and the date of the data generated. You can also see that the PDF is broken down by the modules I'm managing. This is very organized and convenient. If I click on Search Engine Optimization, I'm taken right to the information I want to see. All of the information that I have access to in the Analyze tab is presented in these gorgeous reports. Here you can see the information from my AdWords campaigns, clicks, as well as click-through rate. To sum it up, Ignitur mimics the workflow of web marketing professionals. So whether you're advanced or just starting out, it walks you through the process without being too obtrusive to your workflow. Instead, it gives you an edge as a productive and efficient web marketer. I also want to remind you that Ignitur was made with web marketers in mind. The web marketing workflow can be summarized in 3 steps: information gathering and analysis, and that's in the Analyze tab. The to-dos or tasks based on findings and needs, represented in the Manage tab, and finally, reporting. You can see in this demo, Ignitur works as your research team, Ignitur is your task management software to manage your campaigns, and finally, Ignitur is your reporting engine that saves you time.